Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 47. It's almost 47 inches round table that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say a few things. So, number one, everything comes explained right here in the instruction manual. It is really easy to assemble. I was not expecting this one to be this easy. I did it with my wife in about honestly, like probably like 20 minutes, no more than that, 20 minutes. But I was also surprised of the quality of the assemble, because sometimes when you're doing this type of furniture, you are expecting, I don't know, like not so good screws, not so good bolts and things like that. Everything is top notch. I gotta say that every part and how they fit together, that this is not one of those that is gonna be a little flimsy or the edges are gonna be just like here and there, things like that. This is a heavy table. It's about 30 inches tall and then 47 inches. I mean, I want to say that it's 46.4. So let's gonna say 47 inches. But then, as I was just telling before, it is really heavy. It is really robust. It's a really heavy one. It's a bulky item just because that translates into good quality. Being this heavy means that this is gonna be like the pieces of wood over here are really well made, are kind of like, I mean, she likes it too, it seems. But what I'm trying to say is like the assembly process as well as the final product are really, really good quality. Let's just take a closer look. Well, it seems that she's going to be part of the video now, but I do want to show you that this is a 4-piece. You can see the triangular shapes over there. So this is going to be a 4-piece and each one is going to fit against each other right there. And with a set of screws, you're going to kind of like fit it in. And it is, I have to say that it fits perfect. I have to say fits perfect. This surface over here, it's a really easy to clean one. So you won't have any issues with that. And also you can see that this is a thick piece over here. So it is a thick and heavy table, but also the frame is made of another pieces of heavy metal, so you won't have any issues with this one being flimsy or something like that. But then, no, please, okay. So she's up here. So if by any means your floor is uneven or something like that, like this one, you will have rubber pads right here that you can adjust in case that you need to elevate a side just a little bit more than the other one. So that is another really good thing. And this is a really good metal frame. Last but not least, it says that is for 6 people. I don't know too much about that. I mean, for 4 people, feels perfectly. It fits perfectly. It fit my 4 chairs. I have 6 chairs, but it fit 4 chairs perfectly. The 6 chairs are still good, so you can fit 6 people here, but it's gonna be just a little bit crowded. So my recommendation will be to use this one as a 4-chair, 4-person table. I really like this table. It's really heavy, good quality, great assemble, good parts as well. And of course, the metal frame makes it to be like non-flimsy at all and also heavy, which I think it is a really good thing. Easy to clean as well. I like it. She likes it. So that's the most important thing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.